Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video I am going to show you how to do not disturb, silence notification alerts, calls and message. Here's how to turn it on or off on your iPhone or iPad. Just open Control Center and touch and hold on focus button, and then select do not disturb from list, and then running it on for this device will run it on across all of your device. Sign in with your Apple ID, and while you are using do not disturb with icon which looks like crescent moon and will appear at the top of your iPhone in the status bar of screen. Pro tip: you can open the control center and then click on again focus mode and tap on do not disturb mode and quickly turn it off and are back on. Now you can reduce distractions on your iPhone more easily with Do Not Disturb. To learn more about your Apple device, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Upbeat Instrumental Music. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.